Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I will be sharing a project with you using the dies from the Scrapdiva Design June release. And I'm really excited to share with you what I created to give you some examples on how to use the dies from the June release. And I am going to share with you the dies that I used in my project. I will have links to these dies in the description box below. They are affiliate links, and when you use them, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me and my channel. And you can also use Carol 10 at checkout. I really appreciate it when you do use my code or my links. Thank you so very much. So let's get started with the dies that I used in my project. The first one are the party words, and this has the background die and the word die in a beautiful font, and it says happy birthday, make a wish, and there are two capitalized words that say hooray and party, and then there are two in a font that say hooray and party, so you get two of each of those words. Then you get happy day, and you also get celebrate. And I believe there's one more right here. I know it's celebrate, and maybe that's hooray. Yep. Okay, yep. So you get, yes, celebrate and hooray. Hooray here, hooray, party, 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 hooray, hooray. Happy day, celebrate, make a wish, and happy birthday. Yikes. All right. The next one up is the balloon fringe die. It's fringed birthday balloons. Okay, I got it right. So you get 3 different sizes in this set, and you get the fringe in the 3 different sizes to match. So there are 6 dies in this set. Now this is from last month's release. This is the Bolt Heart Butterfly Bow, and I used this in my project, so I thought I would include it. And then last but not least, this is the main project that I'm sharing with you today, and this is called the A2 gift box. So there's quite a few dies in here. I did not find this one. I bet you it is under my mat. So let me just say that I did make flowers, so you get to see them. There are 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small dies that come with this. Then you get the box top, and as you can see here, the box bottom. Then you get a piece that cuts out your designer paper and does a embossed stitching. So you get those, and you get the ends for the top of the box, and that'll have an asterisk that it embosses. This one right here, it has an asterisk right there, and that embosses in the piece, and you use that to assemble the top of your box. And also this one has an asterisk indicating the top of your box. And then these 2 pieces are for the bottom of your box. So you would cut 2, 2, 2, and 2, and then a top and a bottom, and then your designer pieces. And then you've got these designer pieces for the ends of your box. Then you get this cute little envelope with a piece to cut designer paper to decorate the envelope. And I believe this little square might fit into this envelope. I'm not sure. I didn't use this die. And then you get a heart and a star to decorate it. So it's super cute. And this is called an A2 size box. So let me bring my first one in here, and we'll measure it. So you can see I did decorate the bottom of my box. So this is actually 4 3/4 by 6. So that's how big this box is. And you can see right here that I did my fringed balloons. And what I did is I cut 3 different papers from this paper set right here. I think the cover came off. Yeah, I'll just put the cover in. I use this Let's Celebrate, and it's like a happy birthday type of paper. So that's what I used. And I cut 3 different colors. Some of my papers are double-sided, so I flipped them over and used the back side. So I cut it with the background. Let me show you that. That's not it. So what I did is I cut the balloon. You get a balloon with stitching. So I cut that. And then this is the matching one for the large. And I cut this 3 times. And I cut it at different lengths to get 3 layers. It's basically the same tutorial that I had for the fringed butterfly. So I just cut that. And then I put a little gold paper on the top here with a flower and some leaves. And on the tiny one, I did put a little gold paper there with a bow. And this one has a heart. And then I put little bows on the bottom of the balloons, like in this area right here. And here is the happy birthday from the party words. And I used a few other dies from my stash. And then when you open this up, you can see that this is a pretty big box. And I did put some of my bracelets that I made in here. And I will show you the bracelets. I have been making bracelets for a little bit. This is one of my favorite sets. And these are clay beads. If you would like me to do a tutorial on how to make these bracelets, I will do that. And like I said, this is one of my favorite sets. This is some shells with some gold beads and more clay beads. And you can see how pretty that is. And then I have clay beads and little gold beads in between. And it looks like that. Really cute. I love these bracelets. I have made a bunch of them to give away and also to wear. So that's this one. Let me pull in another one. I made several different boxes to share with you. I love this happy birthday one. It's so cute. All right, I made this, and I make little duck gifts for gift exchanges on the cruise ships that I go on. And so here you could see the flowers. That's made from these right here. And they turned out so pretty. And then this is the heart. I want to give you the correct name. The bolt heart butterfly bow. I think that is so cute. This is a little duck die from my stash, and the background dies as well. Celebrate is a word that's in the party words. And then when you open this up, I did something a little different. I have a nail kit in here. So I picked the nail kit up at the Dollar Tree. It's nothing fancy. It just comes in with a backing and a plastic over it. And I thought to dress it up and make it nicer, that I would put them inside the box. And I made these little tabs to hold each of the different pieces to the nail kit. And I have another one here to show you. This is another die from my stash. These are the flowers that I made. This is the bolt heart butterfly bow, and hooray is from the party words. And again, I attached the nail kit inside here to make it a really cute gift. So you can always bring Dollar Tree things to another level. Then last but not least, I wanted to show you this one. This is a little kit that is from the Shabby Boutique craft room. So I joined that craft room last month, and our first kit was this one, and it's called Rhapsody in Blue, I believe it is, and it's a junk journal kit, But you know me, I like to use my junk journal things for crafting. And so I created this little box with the little girl, and the paper is so shabby chic. I've got little butterflies on here. And then again, this is the flower from this set right here that I created. If you need me to give you a tutorial on that flower, please let me know in the comments below, and I will come back and show you how to make these flowers. I found this little piece of crochet in my stash, and I just put it behind the flowers because it gives it a really nice shabby look to it. And you can see the pieces that come with your box kit to decorate it in the back. And then when you open it up, this junk journal kit actually comes with envelopes and cards. So this makes a really nice box for gifting these envelopes and cards. So here's the first one. And these are just little note cards. There's nothing inside. They're just put together to give as a gift for someone to write their own whatever inside. And I'll just show you them. I think this is so pretty. Little girl reading a book, or lady. And it's very French looking. And then we have this one right here. And it goes with this cute little envelope right here. So I thought this little box was perfect for giving a little set of note cards. So I hope you enjoyed my project today. Again, if you want to see a tutorial for the flowers or anything else for the fringed balloons, let me know and I will get that to you. Erica does have a tutorial for this box, and I will link it in my description box below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these again. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.